Ensure your kits are complete without the hassle of visual confirmation using Brady's HH85 Handheld RFID and Barcode Scanner. In this demo, we're checking that a kit contains 5 different items, all tagged with RFID labels. Each kit is barcode labeled with the kit reference number. To begin, we open the Brady Kit Verifier app on the HH85 home screen. First, the reference number on the exterior of the kit is scanned using the HH85's integrated barcode scanner. Then, the Brady Kit Verifier prompts the user to perform an RFID read by pulling the HH85's trigger. As you can see, all 5 RFID tagged items are detected and highlighted in green. Now let's remove one of the kit's items and shield it from the HH85, as if it's missing. Following the same process, we scan the kit reference number, then activate the RFID reader. We see the list of components is now incomplete and indicates which item is not present. Finally, we replace the missing item in the kit, repeat the scan procedure, and see that all components are, once again, accounted for.